Well, at the direction of the governor, 1,000 Maryland National Guard soldiers and airmen are fully activated and more are ready to step in if they're needed.
WJC is live at a command center in Dundalk. Rachel Menitoff explains what they're doing here in Baltimore. Rachel.
Vic and Nicole, good evening. We got a chance to ride along with members of the National Guard today, and what they're doing is supporting local and state agencies. For example, there are several teams now working with Baltimore Parks and Rec at various food distribution sites around the city. Members of Maryland's National Guard activated to a higher state of readiness. They're here to carry out necessary emergency functions and support local and state organizations in their efforts to combat, test, and treat patients diagnosed with COVID-19.
When people come to the door, I just say hi to them. I ask them how many meals that they need. Do they have anyone else at home?
Sergeant Eric Scuderi and his team are supporting various rec centers, which are preparing and handing out food to individuals and families.
Helping with supplies, logistics, delivery of stuff.
While other units are setting up screening sites, delivering equipment, and helping with transportation needs.
We have resources and capabilities that are not necessarily available to local and state agencies, such as medical support.
At the request of Governor Larry Hogan and Baltimore Mayor Jack Young, there are now 1,000 members of the Guard in and around the state of Maryland. 1,200 Guardsmen are also on standby.
Just know that we're all from this community. You know, I was born and raised in western Howard County.
Many, like Nicholas Bay, are Maryland natives who say during this time of uncertainty, he wants people to know that the National Guard's presence is one thing they can count on.
We joined the Guard because we can help our local communities and our nation, and that's what we do. This is not our first time doing this, won't be our last.
The National Guard says it will have a presence here in Baltimore and around the state of Maryland for as long as is needed. We're live in Dundalk tonight. I'm Rachel Menitoff for WJZ.